and say we're going to draw 3 pigs.
Yeah, the 3 little pigs.
Yeah.
Now, we hope you were going to follow along with us. You got a marker and some paper. If you don't want to use a marker, though, you can use whatever you feel comfortable drawing with. And if you are using a marker, you want to make sure that you have more than 1 sheet of paper so that it doesn't soak through 1 sheet and get onto the table.
Yeah.
All right. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're going to first draw the letter U, but we're going to draw it upside down. And we're going to draw it right in the middle of our paper. And we're going to draw all 3 pigs at the same time. We're going to repeat the steps over and over, okay, for each pig. Now we're going to start by drawing the letter U upside down. We're going to go like this. And there's our first pig. Doesn't really look like a pig, does it?
That's our first pig. Now let's move on to coloring it.
Not yet. Okay, we're going to draw it right here, a letter U upside down. We're going to draw it kind of big so that we have room for all this stuff inside. All right, good job. I like that one. Now we're going to connect the bottom. We're going to go like this, and we're going to connect the bottom like that with a kind of a curve to connect each side. Yes, and then over, back up. Good job. Now, let's do the same thing for the other 2 pigs. So we're going to start over here. We're going to draw an upside down U. We're going to go upside down U.
This looks like a gumdrop.
It does look like a gumdrop. And we're going to draw another upside down U. And then we're going to connect the bottoms.
3 little pigs.
Now, if we go too fast, remind our art friends, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video. Okay, let's draw another one. Maybe that one's skinnier. Oh, yeah, and they kind of look like ghosts, too. And let's draw another one. Let's end it right here. Yes. Little one. And then let's connect the bottoms. Good job. Now let's draw all the details inside. First, we're going to draw their noses, and we're going to draw an oval right in the middle of their head. So there's one nose. We're going to draw another nose over here.
Hot.
And then we'll draw another nose over here.
Nose.
And then they got 2 nostrils in each nose.
Nostrils.
2 ovals, and you can color them in. One more. Okay, what should we draw next?
His face.
Yeah, let's draw his eyes. We'll draw the one in the middle. We're going to draw a circle on each side of his nose. Look at that. 2 circles for the eyes. Yeah, and then perfect. And then let's do the same thing over here on the right pig and the left pig. Now in each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle in the top left. And this is for the shiny part, the reflection.
So it looks like it's really friendly.
Yes, really friendly too, and shiny. One more pig. Then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave these little ones white. Now we could draw their mouths, and we could draw a different mouth for each one. I'm going to first draw a straight line for this one, and maybe a diagonal line over here, and I'm going to draw kind of a big one over here. Now, on this one, I'm going to draw open. I'm going to draw a big U underneath, and then I can draw another curve inside and color in the top. And that one's got his mouth open. Now on this one, I'm going to draw his tongue sticking out. So I'm going to draw a little U and then a line in the middle. Now you guys at home can use your own creativity and change your mouths any way you want. And this one, I'm also going to draw his mouth open. I'm going to draw a U like that, and then I'm just going to color in the whole thing. That one is my favorite. Do you know why?
Why?
Because it looks like it's the happiest one out of all of them. It's got a big smile just like you. All right, we're done adding their faces, except we need to draw pants on them because they look like naked little gumdrops, okay? So we're going to draw a straight line that goes across on each one. We're going to draw it all the way across. And on that one, yeah, you can have really short pants because he's got a big mouth. And I'm going to draw big pants on all of them. And then we can also draw little pockets. I'm going to draw curved line on each.
Pockets in your underwear.
No, it's not underwear.
Oh.
These are their pants. We're gonna draw little corner pockets on all of their pants. Good job. One in there. And the last one. Perfect. Okay, now let's draw their ears. We're gonna first start by drawing the middle pig's ears, and then we're gonna repeat all the same steps.
I'll get that one.
That one's my favorite. So we're gonna draw a diagonal line that comes out on each side and makes them look like bugs.
They are bugs.
They look like bugs, huh?
Because they are bugs. Oh no, they're pigs.
Okay, now on each side, we're gonna draw a little curve that comes around for the top of their ears. Yep, and then we're gonna draw a curve that comes down to finish their ear on the outside. Yeah, and then one more on the other side. Then we're gonna draw a S line. We're gonna come one way and then back the other way. And if you want to make it easier, you can just draw a straight line. So I'm gonna draw a little S line going the other direction on the other side. Yeah, good, you did it. And then start right here on the little curve, and then come down to there. Yeah, you did it. All right, now we're gonna repeat those same steps for the other two pigs. In this part, we're gonna fast forward, so you guys at home, pause the video to take that time to finish your ears. Next, let's draw their feet. Now we're gonna draw rectangles or little square U's at the bottom. So here we go, we're gonna draw this one, over and back up. And I'm gonna repeat those same steps. Down, over, and then back up. Can you do that all by yourself? Right here, and then right here. Yes, and back up. Then one more.
Or else it would be just...
Yeah, you'll have one leg. He needs two. Okay, now at the bottom, we gotta draw their feet. So we're gonna draw a rainbow line on each foot. Yeah. And then a line right down the middle.
It's socks.
No, that's their little hooves. Okay, now we're gonna repeat those same steps for each of their legs. Okay, dude, what are our three little pigs missing?
His arm.
Their arms, yeah. Each of them are missing arms. So on this one, we're gonna draw the same shape that we did for the legs. Look at this. Out, down, and back in. Except we're gonna draw them sideways, right? Mm-hmm. Out, down, and back in. Now we're gonna repeat the same steps that we did for the back hooves. We're gonna draw for their hands, or their front hooves. So we're gonna draw a little curve, or C shape, on each one, yes, and then a line right down the middle. Yeah, curve and a line down.
Start doing it left away.
Yeah. Okay, now let's repeat those steps for the other two pigs again. Now this one I'm gonna draw, look at this. So we have room, I'm gonna draw it up here like that, and I can do the same thing over here on this one. All right, you ready to fast forward again?
Yep.
All right, Austin, we did it. We finished drawing our three little pigs, and yours turned out perfect. This one is my favorite, and it's because he's the most happy, just like you. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our three little pigs. We're gonna use the computer to do that, but you guys can pause the video right now and color your pigs any way you want with whatever you want. You could use crayons, markers, or even
Colored pencils.
yeah, you guys could use colored pencils too. You could match the same way that we colored our pigs, or you could use your imagination and color yours any way you want. Also, don't forget to draw the background. You could draw their little houses. You could draw the brick one, this one made out of straw or hay, and what's the last one?
Sticks.
Yeah, sticks. Sticks, bricks, and hay. You promise you had fun?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun following along with us and drawing your three little pigs. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Oh, I'm gonna beat the big bad wolf. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these two other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.